Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at database here. Welcome to Microsoft Database. Yes, there are a few things that we're going to do in this database right here. So for those who new, see the video definitely for you. And for those who are ready, you can also refresh your memory on it definitely. So we're going to be looking at some of the stuff that we're going to actually be looking in on the database right here. Very important. Right, so the first one right here, how to open a blank database. Because there are more than one way you can actually open it. Second thing is to create a table in the database and name it. Yes, very important. Next, you're going to enter data in the table. So I'm going to show you exactly enter data in the table. Create a form in the database. Yes. You're also going to create a report in the database and they're going to run a query. So these are what you're definitely going to be looking at here. Right. So the first thing that you wanted to do, come right here. Your computer, you can right click, go down to new, and this itself is the database right here. You can also come right to the startup menu right here and click. You notice this arrow right here, scroll bar, you can access the cursor upon it, and the mouse and scroll up. What you're looking for is Microsoft Office. If you notice, this is a Microsoft Office. You click right here, and this is exactly what you're actually looking for. Right here, so you can actually click it and definitely open it, right? So it's Microsoft Database Access, right? So this definitely how it look like, right? So if you notice the information that we have right here, that's the most open, a blank, right? So this itself is a blank. So you're going to click on a blank, right? You notice you click on a blank. So right here, the blank say must, right? Information say must name it, right? So here, you can actually save it on the desktop. I'm going to name it. I'm going to say customer. You can click right here, right? So you're going to take me directly to the desktop that I can actually save it right there. All right. If you notice right here to my left, right here, scroll bar, you're going to click up. You notice desktop, you're going to click and you're going to click on OK, just like that. And then right here, you're going to click on the word create. All right. And there you go. This is it right here. If you notice up here. All right. Very important right there. All right. So if you right click like that, you notice this is it on the desktop. All right, very important. So the next information that we're going to be looking at on it is this information right here. How to create a table in the database. So that's exactly what we're going to be looking at, how to create a table right here. All right, if you notice right here, you have home, you have create, you have external data, you have data too. So we're going to click on create. When you click on create, notice this is table. If you click on table, this is what come up. You can actually add the information and then give it table name. You can come right click, you can actually close it. Otherwise, you can go back, you can click right this on table design. So I'm going to use the table design to do it. Notice when I click on the table design, this is what comes up. It give you the name, field name, data type, and description. So I'm going to put ID right here. I click off as a data type. Right, you notice the field. I can actually move the field to about maybe 2. I'll put 5 instead down here. Click right here, right here. I'll put first name right here. If I come right over here, you notice I can actually change it to where I want. I can put long text, anything I wanted to put. Here, I can actually move it and put 15 right there. Do the same thing again, last name. Just the same, we're going to do that. Going to change it to 15 again, right down here. Then we're going to put address right here, just like that. You do the same thing. You're going to put 25 for that. Number, phone, right there. Right here, you can either put number or text. just the same. Right, so definitely this is self the table. So you want to save the table, we're going to come right up here, click it. All right, we're going to give it name, give it a name. Right, just for the mark it as student. Right, and then we're going to click on OK. Right, something went wrong. All right, the customer search the ID key never on. So if you notice right here, so we can actually close it. All right, and if you double click, right, if you notice right here, what if you notice the extra fee right here, all right, different ID and all of that, come out right here. So very important. So you can come right here and close it. All right, so we're going to be looking at the next information and see what exactly is next information. It's a enter data in the table. All right, so we're going to enter some data in the table now. All right, so very important now. So we're going to double click. Right, so we're going to put in the ID. All right, we're going to put in the first name. Just like that. You can use the arrow key from our class. Use the arrow key again and come across. And do that again. You can come across again. Good. You can go down with the hand. Just the same. You can go across. Just the same with the arrow, right? Left arrow. Just the same. Space bar. Alright, you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna put in the next last name over here. Right, you're gonna put one more name. Alright, put an next name here, so. Okay, put in the address. Right here. Then you're gonna come and put the phone number now. We're gonna finish now. You can actually save it. So right, so we're gonna close it. Right, so this is how we enter the data. So the next thing we want to be looking at now is right here. Just create a form. Alright, it's very important to create the form. How you're gonna do that to create the form. Alright, so you're gonna open here now. To create the form, if you notice, you go create. But if you notice right here, see form. If you click on form, it give you a blank right here that you have to start from scratch right here. If you notice, this one actually give you everything inside of it again already. So I'm gonna close this. You know. Alright, so go back again. You notice this one's a form. I look at the form design. When you click on the form design, you get right here that you have to start from scratch. Alright, so click on create again. You click on form, and you see a blank form right here. You click, and this is what happened. You can actually come here, so you click. Alright, it take you back to the opposite one. Alright, just the same. You notice 3. Alright, so definitely with this now, you can definitely give it some color. Alright, you notice you can put the cursor right here. You notice you can actually size up this some more. You can press right here. You can go up more like this. With this now, you can click right here. You can size it up like that, or you can come back over just like that. Right up here, you can actually do the same thing, just the same. Right here, you can actually do the same. You can actually curve it just the same. Right, very important. Here, I can come right up here. Where's the view of the form? Right here, so notice it says design view. Now if you click on design view, this is exactly what it looks like. So I can put the cursor right here and come like this one outside of the mouse and come down like that. You notice? You see like that, I can actually right click in the middle light. If I go right click in the middle, I can actually put some color to it, right? You know, to use this one in the bucket, right? we can actually use this. You notice right here, it actually give us different color. Let me see if I can get a different color for it. All right, let me see with this red color. It look. All right, you're not able to see that one. Let's go back again and let's look at this one. All right, perfectly. When you notice, then all of this, you're going to click here on design again. Come back right here, and there you go. And this is exactly what the form actually look like. You can come right here and see it. So you're going to say student form, and then you press OK. You notice right here, student form. Come right here and close. Right, so when you come in database, you see this blank section. So when you click over here, like it's double click, you notice you bring up the form right here. Click upon student, double click, you notice you bring up the table right there, just the same. All right, so next thing that you want to be looking at is create a report. All right, so we're going to be looking at, we're going to create a report. Very important. All right, so we're going to create a report. We're going to click right here. Right, and if you notice right here, it's a report and report design. If you click on the design, this is what happened. I have a design from the bottom. All right, so you can call this Prometheus and close it. Go back and click on create. All right, I'm going to click right here and report. Now, when I click on report, you notice most of the data outside. If I print this section will cut off. But how can I adjust it? If you notice, it show a time in which I actually create it and all that. I can come right here just the same. Go down cursor and drag it in like that. Yes, I can click it like this. I can actually bring it in. You notice it can coming in. Click inside of it or like that, drag it in. Alright, click like this. And carry it in. Notice, click. Right, so notice it's right in range now that I can actually print it. So I'm going to save it. So when it says student report, and I'm going to click. Okay, you notice it right here. So all of what I did so far, you notice it show up on this particular side here. So the next thing you're going to do now is to run a query. So how can you run a query? All right, this is how we're going to be running the query in the database now. All right, we're going to go up here to create. All right, you notice your query result and query design. When you click on query design, this is what come up. But the information you want to put into the table right here, you notice this can actually move. So what this is a student table. So you're going to click on add right here. Notice it show up right here. You just click right here. Right? So I want the ID. I'm going to double click and notice show up right here. I want the last name right there. And I want the phone number. Right? And then come up here. I run, you notice. Alright. So this is that query run. Right, you notice it's a query one. You can actually see right there. You can actually close it. Alright, I'm gonna run a different query. Alright. Run a different one. So the different query I wanted to run now. I wanted to run the ID, first name, and this, right? I notice the criteria right there. Right? Criteria right there. So the first name we want, no, I put the first name right in, so that's the criteria. So we're gonna type ARK, press enter. So what I want here now, this ID, the first name, and the phone number. So if you have a whole entire list of this and you don't want to show for everybody one, that's where you can actually do it. And come here and run. If you notice, it only give me an ID, first name, and the phone number. Exactly how I really asked for it. Right? So this is the way you actually complete this database thing right here. So remember to share, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.